How's it going, everybody? I'm James Cormier. Welcome to the series where we talk about all concepts project management. Today, we're going to talk about two critical aspects of project management: enterprise environmental factors, also known as EEFs, and organizational process assets, also known as OPAs. Let's dive in. Projects don't exist inside a vacuum. They exist inside an environment that can influence or constrain their work. Both EEFs and OPAs can impact project work. So as a project manager, it's critical to understand these concepts and how they could affect your work. Enterprise environmental factors include all of the factors that are not under the control of the project team that can influence, constrain, or direct the work of the project. These are the things we consider. Enterprise environmental factors can be either internal or external. Internal enterprise environmental factors are factors imposed by the organization on your project and can include the structure, culture, systems, and geographic locations of the organization. Some examples of internal enterprise factors include, but are not limited to, organizational culture, like structure, and governance, like code of conduct. Another one is organizational policies, including weekend work or overtime, or resource availability, like how much money you have allocated to this project. External enterprise environmental factors are outside factors affecting the organization and your project. These factors include governmental or other rules and regulations that apply to performing organization. Some examples of external EEFs include, but are not limited to, weather conditions, social and cultural influences and issues, or legal restrictions. On the other hand, organizational process assets, also known as OPAs, are the plans, policies, processes, procedures, and knowledge bases specific to and used by the performing organization. These are the things we use. These are valuable assets that the business either owns or develops, and they can be physical or intellectual property. Since the structure of each organization, the nature of the projects it conducts, and its level of experience differ, it's not possible to get precise information on what an OPA typically contains. OPAs can be grouped under two basic headlines. One, processes, policies, and procedures. These include organizational standard processes, guidelines, and templates. They are established by the organization and are not updated as a part of the project work. Two is an organizational knowledge base. These include lessons learned, historical information, and past project files. They are updated throughout the project with project information. For example, suppose our project is planning a picnic for our team. In this case, if we've hosted picnics before, we might have OPAs in the form of checklists or templates that we can use to help us plan this event. As we develop our plan, we might also look at lessons learned from other past events, such as a reminder to check if people have dietary restrictions. Regarding enterprise environmental factors, when it comes to planning the picnic, we might check the weather conditions to see if it will be raining, or we could check the resource availability of how much funds we have to spend on such events like picnics for our team. That's a quick overview of enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets. Thank you for tuning into the video today. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. If you could leave a like or subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.